Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube Kids on Smart TV step by step clearly. To activate YouTube Kids on your Smart TV, start by turning on your Smart TV and navigating to the home screen. Locate the App Store on your Smart TV. Search for YouTube Kids in the App Store search bar. Once you find the YouTube Kids app, select it to open the app page. Click the Install or Download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your Smart TV. After installation, return to the home screen and locate the YouTube Kids app. Open the YouTube Kids app by selecting it. You'll be prompted to choose between using it as a kid or a parent. If setting it up for a child, select Child. You then may be asked to select an age group for tailored content. For parents, select Parent to configure settings before letting your child use it. You will likely need to create a profile for your child. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up this profile, allowing you to customize restrictions. Once settings are configured, get to know the parental controls available. You can manage content settings by revisiting the Parents section at any time. After completing the setup, hand the remote to your child. Let them explore kid-friendly content in a safe environment. And that's all you need to do to activate YouTube Kids on your Smart TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.